beautiful. It's raining.
This is insane.
Video because it's just amazing. This is my favorite weather right here. Desert storm.
It's raining, raining. Gotta get down when it's raining. Everybody's looking forward to the water. It's pretty crazy actually.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, I wish you could see better.
I'd get in a
It's
pool.
really coming down too.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
I like how that patch kind of dry right now.
Yep.
Yeah, it's raining, but it's hot.
Yeah.
Like someone peeing on you.
It's perfect weather. I wonder if my phone would stay still. This is what we do.
We smoke and we stand in the rain all day.
Oh, don't, lightning! I'm gonna catch it. I'm just gonna sit it. Nah, it's gonna fall. I'm gonna be pissed. I don't know. Come on, lightning for me, baby.
You're gonna miss it again, you know that, right?
Huh?
You're gonna miss it again.
I'm not gonna miss it.
Guys doing having sex right there in that window.
Really?
Folding his load.
Oh.
Or fucking his load. Fucking his load. Wrapping it around his string.
Look at the water. You'll be able to see the water here. Oh, people. There, water. Water. The pool. There's a chick sitting here onto their laptop. There's a girl right there.
Oh, okay.
Should totally just, you know, just walking by. Huh? Yeah, I'd say this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of creepy.
Creeper.
Just a little bit.
Emma is a creeper. She's looking inside other people's hotels.
Like I do all day.
All day.
Yeah.
Oh,
This rain here is crazy.
I love how pointless this video is, yet it's amazing. Classic Joe. Oh, let's give them a tour of our room. Alright.
Oh.
This is our suite. Right here.
This is the kitchen. You know, I make my grilled chicken.
NTV cribs. Say my crib, but you know.
These are my suites, because you know that's how I do. Our messy ass table. Look at this shit. We even got popcorn.
Now this is where
This is the boys' room, and my room too. Very simple. Look at how clean everything is. Look at the shit. It's clean. It's all clean. You can't even see
no,
it.
you gotta look.
Look at
I just wrecked that shit.
it's so clean.
That-
Now to the girls'
Yeah, you
room.
just do like
Show you what girls are like. Well, I'd rather live with the boys. Is it safe?
No.
No. Too bad.
Displaying everywhere.
This is what's going on. Say hi.
Hi. And bullshit.
Say hi.
And party. And bullshit.
Alright. See, there's girly mess. Because that's what girls do. And bit of a disaster.
Oh,
No.
I got it. The stuff on your back.
Alright, you guys say bye.
Bye.